In this video, we'll demonstrate how to add weather information to Notion. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about adding weather to Notion, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Creating an Indify account. Begin by creating a new account on indify.co. You can use your Google Gmail account for this process. Once your account is ready, proceed to connect and start creating a widget. Step 2. Creating the weather widget in Notion. Now, head back to Notion. Create a new embed block by clicking the plus button to add a block. Choose the embed block option just below your selection, and select Weather in the Volume 1 section. Step 3. Customizing the widget. Name your new widget and adjust the settings to select your preferred location. Explore all the available features to customize your widget according to your preferences. Step 4. Copying and pasting the widget link. Once customized, copy the link provided below the widget settings. Return to Notion and paste this link into the previously created embed block. Step 5. Embedding the weather widget in Notion. Your new weather widget will appear once you've pasted the link. You can resize it to fit the design of your template. For more helpful tutorials and guidance, visit MediaMagnetGuide.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for future content.